Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Monique Daniels and this is my very first entrepreneurial blog. So I have decided to start doing vlogs, okay? That showcases, the lifestyle of an entrepreneur, that just kind of shows different aspects of the business, different things that, an entrepreneur may do throughout their day, just different things on that side of the business fence, so to speak. So I wanted to do that because, especially now, this is a time where a lot of people are stepping out. A lot of people are becoming their own boss. A lot of people are becoming, entrepreneurs and are being very successful with it. And I kind of just want to give back because a lot of things that I have learned from other people. I did do research as well. I've been into, selling online and network marketing and multi-level marketing for many, many years. But, over the years, I've learned a lot just through watching different people on YouTube that's just like killing it. So I said, you know what? Let me start doing these vlogs and just kind of showing people, more of what I do on the business side of things, how I run my at-home business and everything, and different things that my daughter and I do with Jazz's Beauty Bar and stuff like that. So, I just hopefully to inspire, other people to actually step out on faith and, make that thing happen. Okay. So with that being said, I just got a delivery today. So this is going to be like an unboxing. I got just a couple things today. I get deliveries all the time, pretty much. Um, but right now we're pretty stocked up. But from time to time I do have to order this, order that, whatever. But I just wanted to show you like some of the things that I got. I just got something from Vistaprint. This is I almost dropped the whole box. Well, this is our thank you cards. I just recreated some thank you cards. We already had some, but I noticed that I needed to put some more information on them. Our old ones basically just had like, a thank you for supporting us and had a discount on it, coupon code and everything. But a lot of people are not aware that we are like on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? We are on Facebook, different things like that. So I just wanted to make sure that I, added our main social media site to our cards. And also I wanted to make sure that I put our, our website and everything on it too as well, because our other ones didn't have that information on it. But anyways, this is the cards. I designed it. I think they're cute. They're cute. And this is the back side. So the back side just, lets people know to follow us on Instagram. And it also lets people know that I do product demonstrations right here on YouTube. Okay, so I made sure I put that up there as well. So that goes in the package with every person's order. I'm getting ready to do an order now that just popped up. Somebody ordered like a big gallon of sanitizer. So I'm going to put that in there with the order and everything, and, give them a little free sample since they ordered such a huge bottle of sanitizer. Our sanitizers are like travel size and stuff like that, mostly that we have sold. But yeah, so I wanted to show you that. And as well, there's another thing here that I have. Okay, so I just ordered this from Amazon. This is how it comes. And I'm trying to show you because it's like really big. But yeah. So I ordered these shipping boxes because the ones that I have, like some of our products are like kind of wide. And the ones that I have, like it's like I kind of got to squeeze it in there a little bit, and I feel a little uncomfortable squeezing our products in there, so I had to get something that was a little wider. So that's why I bought a stack of those. I got like a whole stack of them over here. But this is what it ends up looking like after you put it together. So I really needed that. So now when we put like our toner pads, which is one of the products that's like wide and has like a 30-day supply of toner pads in it, now it can fit. So I needed to do that. And I am so glad that these came. So I got plenty of space now, and I could put all our decorations, and I make it nice and pretty. It looks just like a gift box when they get it. But I just wanted to show you guys that, you know what I'm saying? So they do have these on Amazon. They have all different type of sizes. And I got these from Vistaprint. So Vistaprint is like my go-to for business cards or flyers or things like that for the most part. Sometimes I just create, a flyer or whatever right on my computer, and I print it right here at home without going up there. But when I want like a bunch of them, like I got a lot. I got a lot. Like this is going to last us for like, at least a couple thousand orders. So we are good. But anyways, guys, with that being said, you guys, as always, you be safe out there and have a blessed day, a blessed night, whatever time zone you're in. All right. And I will definitely be coming back up here and just kind of, getting a little more into the business aspect of things. So you guys could kind of see how, we run our business here. And for people, because I know there's a lot of people that's, skeptics and stuff like that. They just like very leery of buying from people that they don't know or trust or whatever, so that you can kind of see that, we are people of integrity and we handle our business like we're supposed to. Like, you know what I'm saying? We make good quality products. We sanitize everything, you know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to make sure that that is portrayed on my videos so you guys can see that for yourself. But anyways, yes, enjoy your day, be blessed, and I will be back up here with some more value. Okay, all right, you guys, I will see you later. Bye bye.